Hello and welcome to another segment of our YouTube channel where we discuss scholarship for international students. But this time around we take a new turn of posting our first video on postdoc research positions in University of Virginia. So let's get to what we need to know about these research positions and their application method. But before that, if this is the first time of coming across this video or this channel, ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can receive subsequent videos about scholarships, fellowship, internship and lots more on this channel. So let's go into deep explanation of what this video is all about. The University of Virginia provides opportunity for postdoctoral fellow or postdoctoral research fellow who are interested in applying for postdoc position that includes salary, stipend and other benefits. So this video entails various research positions you can apply if you are looking for postdoctoral position in the United States of America, especially at this university. So we get to know more about this position. So all you need to do is just for you to get acquainted with what is needed. The supervisor in charge before you submit an application. Research associate is the title given to postdoc who are affiliated with the university as employees. In these cases, the source of fund does not restrict direct payments or employment from the university. There are different categories of research opportunities or research positions you can apply, as I show you all these positions and how you can apply for it. And it includes attractive salaries from $47,476 to $77,600, and this is according to FY 2019 stipend level. So let's dive into these positions without wasting much of our time. List of postdoctoral research positions. These are careers at the University of Virginia. So we have our postdoctoral research associate in public health. We have public health sciences. We have Center for Public Health Genomics. We have grant and contract specialist or administrator, labs senior spatial biology core. We have research associate in computational neuroimaging and so on and so forth. As you can see on your display, these are the fellowship positions. Research associate in biology, postdoctoral research associate in functional genomics and epigenomics. We have research specialist staff which There are other positions too, but before I show you these positions, these are the most common documents you need to provide to apply for any of these positions. You have a cover letter, curriculum vitae, contact information of 3 references. So all you need to do is just for us to access the official website. So ensure you visit our website www.legyscholarship.com and you have access to this web page, or check the description of this video where we dropped the link so you can apply for any of these postdoctoral research position. But let's take a look at the overall categories of these positions. Once you click the link on our website, the official website link, so we redirect you to this page. Scroll down and check the categories. As you can see on your screen, browse by job categories. We have administrative support, advanced practice providers, we have advancement and development, applied health, athletics, clinical support, educational resources. We have executive leadership and administration, facilities operation, hospitality, trade and engineering faculty. We have finance, business, human resources. We have information management, service and technology, managerial and supervisory, nursing orders, physicians, research, safety, compliance, regulation and privacy, student service, health and awareness. We have 10 opportunities. So all you need to do is click on research, since we are only interested in postdoctoral research opportunities. Once you click on the research, you get a list of research opportunities that you can apply. So you have to go down to look for which of these positions you are interested in. As you can see, up to page 10. So you need to go through them one after the other in order to get the exact postdoctoral positions you are interested in. So, but for the sake of this video, let's click on this postdoctoral research associate to look at the project description, what is required of applicants, and then the application method. As you can see, University of Virginia School of Education Human Development Center, to promote effective youth development, is seeking highly qualified applicants for 1 year postdoctoral research associate position with the possibility of extension up to 3 years based on annual basis, dependent on satisfactory performance and availability of funding. So you go through these details, then check the responsibilities. You have to analyze data collected, support coaching of teachers in the implementation of evidence-based program, non-advanced quantitative analysis, and so on and so forth. So check these details. Knowledge, skills, and abilities include content expertise. We have method expertise and administrative expertise. So you go through them. The minimum required is doctoral degree, preferred qualifications, you have education and experience, physical demand. This is primarily a sedimentary job involving extensive use of desktop computers. So anticipated hourly wage between $55,000 to $60,000, commensurate with qualifications. So depending on your qualification, you earn between these. Instructions are for application. Click here to apply. So this is what you need. So depending on the research position, the requirements will differ, and the documents that will be accepted also varies. So but for this, you need a cover letter, you need resume, you need 2 publications, or writing sample, statement of research interest, contact information with 3 references. So ensure you use this. Each position has a code, so ensure you use this code during your application. So you click on apply now. So this is the code, just in case it is not being specified. There is a column for it if you want to apply. You have to select which country you are from. And fill in the details, fill in every details here. Then ensure you tick these boxes, then go to next, where you'll be required to fill in or upload your documents and publications. So this is how to go about University of Virginia postdoctoral research positions. There are some positions that you need to apply, whereby you'll be asked to contact a supervisor before you apply. Like this, you have to address your cover letter to Catherine Bradshaw. So others require you to contact a specific supervisor before you apply, or the head of that faculty or program or research program you want to apply. So this is the way you can apply for any of these positions. So there are numerous positions. You can check out the official website to apply. Thank you for watching up to the end, and see you in our next video.